Hello, this is Jeff with Off Leash Canine Training in Middle Tennessee, and here I have with me Boston. He's about a 6-month-old Australian Cobberdog here for our 2-week board and train program. He's very sweet, but he's skittish, timid, scared of new places, new people, some dogs. He growls a little bit, understands some commands, but can't hold them, especially around distractions. Pulls on the leash, jumps a little bit. Let's see what he knows as of day 1 before the board and train. Boston, come. 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 Good boy, come. Come. Yes, sit. Good. Break. Good boy. That was good. All right, let's see this one. Place. Boston, place. Come. Place. See if we can guide him up here. Place. Good. Sit. I'm laying down a little bit. Sit. Okay. Here, come. 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 Sit. Down. Down. Sometimes dogs will do it down on place, but not here. Down. Down. Okay. See how he's walking on the leash. Come. Come. Okay, Boston. Heel. Heel. Really has no concept of where he needs to stay and heel. I could strong arm the leash, but then I'd be dragging him, so that's not helpful. He's just pulling whatever direction he wants to go. That's one of his main issues, besides the confidence being low. So that's what Boston knows as of day 1. I can't wait to show you what he's going to learn after training. Sit.
Sit.